Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the highly acclaimed Apple AirPods Pro 2, one of the best true wireless earbuds on the market, with advanced features like improved active noise cancellation, adaptive transparency, and even a hearing aid feature. These are packed with technology. Let's dive in. First off, the packaging. Apple always delivers a premium unboxing experience. Let's slide this open. Inside we have the Apple AirPods Pro 2, a MagSafe charging case, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a set of 4 silicone ear tips, including extra small size for a better fit. Apple also includes some paperwork to get you started. Here they are, sleek, lightweight, and very similar in design to the original AirPods Pro. But don't let the familiar look fool you. These pack serious upgrades. The case now has a built-in speaker for Find My alerts and a lanyard loop for added portability. The case is also IPX4 rated, making it resistant to water and sweat, perfect for workouts or unpredictable weather. Let's talk about key features and why these are a game changer. Active noise cancellation. With AirPods Pro 2, active noise cancellation is now twice as effective. You'll enjoy immersive sound whether you're on a noisy flight or in a bustling cafe. Just the right amount of ambient sound while reducing loud noises like sirens or construction. It's perfect for staying aware of your surroundings. Hearing aid functionality. This is new. The conversation boost feature enhances voices in noisy environments, making these great for those with mild hearing difficulties. You can also adjust audio amplification in the settings for a personalized listening experience. If you do the hearing aid test on your iPhone, this will turn these AirPods Pro into a medical grade hearing aid. Personalized spatial audio. Using your iPhone's True Depth camera, the AirPods Pro 2 create a custom sound profile that makes music and movies sound incredibly immersive. Battery life. You now get 6 hours of listening time on a single charge and up to 30 hours with the MagSafe case. Touch controls. You can now adjust the volume with a simple swipe. So convenient. Seamless ecosystem integration, so switching between your Apple devices is effortless thanks to automatic device switching. And with Siri integration, you can control music, calls, and more hands-free. First impressions, they're incredibly comfortable and secure. The noise cancellation is impressive. I can't hear my surroundings at all. The adaptive transparency is equally impressive. It feels natural and not overly pro. And the conversation boost, it's a fantastic addition for anyone who needs a little bit of extra help hearing in noisy spaces. Apple really has thought of accessibility here. So that's the unboxing and the first impressions of the Apple AirPods Pro 2. With a mix of premium features, improved sound, and thoughtful accessibility options, they truly set a high standard for wireless earbuds. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unboxings and reviews. See you in the next video.